Okay, so just got this in the mail today. Let's unbox this and just do an unwrapping of the new iPad. Saturday delivery. Tracked it from China. Took about forever. Alright, so this is what it looks like here so far. Take this out. Throw that box away. Remove these. Alright. Nice packaging. Alright, so let's keep opening. Alright, that looks pretty sweet. Oh wow, look at that. Nice. Let's see, on and off up here. Let's see if it has a charge of any type. That's taking a while. Let's see what else is in the box. Alright. Looks like a standard cable. The USB cable, a plug. Nothing under that, so that's what you get in the box. It wants us to connect to iTunes. Alright, so I'll do that later. And what's in here? Alright, so this is what you get. And this is our iPad unboxing. So nice. Alright, can't wait to go plug this in. Alright, you guys, there you go. A new iPad. Sweet.